How to drain iPhone battery fast. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Turn on the Wi-Fi over here. And then, go back and tap on Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth as well. After that, go back and tap on Display and Brightness. Go to the Brightness section and adjust the slider to increase the brightness. Then, scroll down and go to Auto Lock. Here, select Never. This means that your iPhone will never auto-lock unless you lock it yourself. Your phone may use more energy with this setting. Go back to the Settings page, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Here, go to Location Services. Go to any app from here. For example, App Store. Then, select while using the app. You can also turn on the flashlight by swiping down on the screen from the top right corner. And then, tap on the flashlight icon. You can do all of these activities to drain your phone battery faster. Following these steps, you can easily drain iPhone battery fast.